Hi friends, today we are going to make a special breakfast, and that is going to be eggs and baby bella mushrooms. And I do prepare these ahead of time. I prepare the mushrooms ahead of time so that they're really soft when we're going to make the breakfast. I will show you. Hold on. Okay, here's what I do with the mushrooms. I put them in a bag here. Alright. I freeze the mushrooms for 3 days in the freezer. And in a defrost freezer. And what happens is when they thaw out, the natural enzymes in those mushrooms will break down the mushrooms so they're very soft. So they don't have to cook very long. Okay, so what I do is thaw them out in a couple bags. See? I double bag them and double wrap them. I put them in the freezer so that they won't get any freezer taste on them. I wrap them up in little Ziploc bags. And then I, when I go to prepare them, I just unwrap them and then I dump the juice out because there's a lot of juice in there that comes out of there. And you can use the juice as a gravy if you like, or you can just dump it out. Okay, so one moment. Let me pause this for a second. Okay, I'm back. So, here is what it looks like after it thaws out. What I do is I just take the bowl and I just dump it, because there's holes in this thing. You just dump out the juice if you don't want to save it for gravy. And see, here's what it looks like in the bag. See how good that looks? I don't know if you can see it good. There's quite a lot of juice there, so you can make a nice gravy with that. And later on, I could show you how to make a gravy, but not right now. So here's this. You just dump this all out so your eggs don't look all brown when you cook them. Okay? So that's what you do. I use, this is a brand that I like. These are Baby Bellas. And they come out really, really good. So let me go ahead and pause that for a second. Oh, another thing, let me show you another thing to do here is what I like to do is take the eggs, and I put them in a bowl of warm water, and I put them in a bowl of warm water and warm them up. Sorry, my mask is falling down. I warm them up, and so they don't have to cook so long. So for 2 people, you can make as many eggs as you like. I'm making one for me and my son Davy, who is today is my assistant chef here. There's Davy. Say hi, Davy.
Hi.
And he likes to help cook too. So, and he's kind of learning how to make this today as well. So I'm going to put in 6 eggs. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's good. Actually, yeah, 7. 7's good because they're small eggs. It depends on the size of the eggs too. If you have really large eggs, then you would use less. If they're very small, you can use more. And then I just put them in warm water. See? There we go. And that reduces cooking time as well. And okay, here we go. Alrighty. And then in the water there. Just warm water, it'll warm them up a little bit so they don't cook. You don't have to cook them so long. Because cooking kind of does take a little of the nutrition out. So we're going to cook them as little as possible. And that's why I freeze them too, so you don't have to cook them near as long as you would to make them nice and soft. And then they have a natural way of thawing out and stuff. Okay, so here we go. We got this in here. Alright, and now I come back. So here's the mushrooms, and if you want to see what those look like, they're pretty dark. I don't know if you can see them too good. They're kind of dark, but that's only because the natural enzymes are breaking down the mushrooms. But they're very, very soft. They're very, very soft now, and they are so juicy. I mean, when you have this, it's really, really good. I already prepared the pan. I put olive oil in there. And then what I like to do is cook these a little bit before I put the eggs in, so that we make sure we kill all the fungus or whatever is in those. And that way it's healthier that way. Okay, so I put them in the pan. Just drop them in there. And there it goes. And then I cook them for a little bit. Like 5 minutes or whatever, just to get them started. And that'll make even less time for cooking the eggs too. Okay, so there we go. Gotta put this on. Gotta move this around a little bit. I don't know how well you can see that. Okay, just move them around in that olive oil a bit. And then turn on the heat there. There we go. Let them cook for 5 minutes. So I'm going to pause for 5 minutes and let them cook. Okay, see you in a few. So while we're waiting for this to cook, here we go. While we're waiting on that to cook, I went ahead and I wrapped up the juice from the mushrooms, and I can save them to make gravy later. See, I just double wrapped it up, and I'm gonna put it in the freezer again. This is fine. You wrap it up real good, and then I can use it later. So I'm going to put that back in my freezer. And then, so another time when I make it, I might want to make a sauce to put over top. Okay, so it's still cooking. We got like a few more minutes. And then I'll show you the next step. Okay, I just wanted to show you what it looks like cooking, and we still have like 2 minutes left. Here it is, 2 minutes left. Can you see? There it is. Looks pretty good. Oh, it's really good, and it comes out real good too. Okay, 2 more minutes. I'm going to pause again. Okay, we're back again. It's been 2 minutes. So, here it is right here. Cooking that. There you go. Alright, next step is we're going to put the eggs in, and it's going to be like we're poaching the eggs. We're just going to be dropping them in and letting them cook just the way it is. Right in there. So, let me see. Alrighty. Alright, I think I have my assistant crack the eggs and put them in. Let me see. My assistant Davy. Okay, well, let me get set up here. Okay, now I'm gonna have Davy go ahead and put the eggs in. And crack the egg. Put it in there. Check the egg, make sure it's fresh and not bad. Take a whiff. Okay, not that much. Well, whiff. Okay, dump it in. Good job, see? Let me show you how good it's cooking in here. See what I already started one so I could show him how to do it. And it's cooking real good. And then he's going to do the rest of the eggs. Here you go. Okay. Just take a real quick little whisk and just make sure it's fresh. Maybe it doesn't wet. Looks okay though. Some people don't bother whipping them. Good. Okay, looks good. Okay. Okay, as long as they're not, you know, like, oh, my mask keeps falling. As long as they're not, cloudy or have red spots or anything in them, that should be okay. Okay? There you go, keep going, you're doing good. There, that's good. Looks good, right? Yep.
Can you turn the lights off? Because there are too many lights in.
We need good lighting for the video.
There.
I have Simply right there. There you go. Good job. Let me see how it's going there. That's all the eggs. Put them in there. They're cooking real good. I'm going to let them cook a few minutes. Then when they come out, they're kind of like poached eggs in a way. Or sunny side up, something like that. They come out really, really good. So just put the lid back on. And then cook for a few more minutes. Probably 2 or 3 minutes should do it.
Dear God.
Just kind of look at them, and you know, if they look like they're being cooked sunny side up or whatever, that's what we want. Make sure they're good cooked. Okay, pause again. Okay, just want to show you the cooking, and a few more minutes left. Here's what it looks like when it's getting almost done. And I'll show you when it's done, okay? There you go. Alright, pause. Okay, we're back. It's been like 5 minutes. And this is how well they're done now. I'll show you. And they're looking really good. Okay, so you can serve them up just as there is. There's no flipping involved. You don't have to turn them over or anything. They just cook right like that, which makes it kind of nice. And then you just serve it up. What's really nice about this is they come out pretty good. Thank you. There we go. And it tastes really good. They're pretty juicy in that. There we go. And I will put this on pause again and show you the final picture. Hold on. Okay, here we are. Final touch. Here they are on the plate. Here you go. One. And the other one is right here. 2 people. Okay, so that's all. And then it comes out pretty clean. I might have wanted to use a little more olive oil. Usually they come out real clean, and I don't have to scrub or anything on the pan. Okay, so that's today's lesson on eggs and mushrooms. And hopefully we'll get some more videos coming out on other things. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.